I bought finally a new engine. Last engine I bought was that doll. I actually found out what it was. And I bought something else I've been waiting for kind of a while to buy. And I'm very excited to open it. I've been waiting to get one of these for a while now. It's a Mamod sp1, and the reason why I wanted an sp1 is because I've been trying to get one for quite a while, and I've had like decently bad luck trying to get one. I found this one on eBay. It looks like to be in unused condition. Very good condition. Or it's been restored, I think, maybe. Who knows. And I was going to add it to my collection with the MM1, minor one. It's covered in oil for some strange reason, but yeah. Clean it off. Here's a unused brand new burner tray came with, but that's what I all can say about it at the moment. I lost a couple of other sp1s. They're kind of rare. This is a late model production. It doesn't have the I think from 79 to about 83. These frames were blue, and from like 84 to about 85, last production was black, like this one is. But this one's in very good condition. I think it's never been used, but who knows? I'm probably gonna end up taking it apart and cleaning it and stuff, but whatever. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.